Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. In today's video, I'm going to open a brand new tarot deck that I just got in the mail today. Now, I am really excited about this deck. It actually came all the way from England, and I can't wait to take a look at it and share it with all of you. So I ordered, and I apologize for the glare, the Trippin Waite Tarot. Now, I first saw this deck on Simon's channel. I think it's called A Hermit's Cave. And he showed this deck. And when he showed it, I knew I had to have it because if you don't know already, I really love, I love bright, bold, colorful decks. I just love anything that is very vibrant and very, very fun. I feel like that really, I really connect well with that vibe. So let's see. Now, if you are interested, I will link the information down below. But this is the information of the artist here. And now I have to say, I ordered this deck probably about, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and for it to already get here all the way from Ireland, I'm quite impressed. So here is his information. And really sweet, a little thank you note as well. So let's go ahead and get into the deck. Now I'm just looking at this really cute box here. Oh wow, and he signed my box. How cool is that? I wasn't expecting that. That's a nice surprise. Okay, so let's get into the deck. And I'm already really liking this. I actually, I'm not even sure if I want to use the deck because it's just so, so unique. But these are the card backs here. Very cool. And there's no edging. That's okay. And the cards have a very interesting smell. They smell like, I want to say like ink or something. But anyways, let's go ahead and do a flip through of the deck. Now, some of these cards, you know, all of them are obviously inspired by the original Rider-Waite-Smith artwork with unique, you know, a unique little twist to it. Like this one says the Guru. And I really am loving this deck already. I may have to buy another one just for a backup because it really is a lot of fun just to look at. Now the cardstock is not too thin, and it does have a glossy kind of coating or finish, but I'm okay with that. I actually prefer that. I know some people don't like it. Very cool. I really like how they have like an afro girl in here. Now, I think I may have heard somewhere that they also have a borderless edition of this. I don't remember seeing that. Or maybe it's a black border or something instead. I think I did see that on the website. That's really cool. Nine of Pentacles, my favorite card. Very pretty. How cute. I just love the use of pink in this deck. I mean, hot pink and, you know, neon colors and turquoise, those are my favorite colors, and I love that so many of these bright, bold colors are used in this deck. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to have to order a backup deck of this. I think this would be a really fun deck to use if you were maybe reading at a party, and then seeing this deck under the black light, I think would be really cool. Now, this deck does not come with a guidebook, so you can obviously just use any other Rider Waite Tarot guidebook, or, you know, you can read the cards intuitively like so many of us do. But this particular deck does not have its own guidebook. And there you go. So that is a flip through of my Trippin, is it Trippin Waite? Yeah, Trippin Waite Tarot. And again, these are what the backs look like. So cool. All right, everyone, if you have any questions about this deck, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.